So, if you shoot these, will it make music? Let's go find out. Back again. Right then, same on the other videos I want something to be musical. So, let's see it this way. Camel fox, kitty xylophone, went for the hippo, nearly went for the lion, nearly went for the owl, went for the hippo. Let's do this. We're starting at the red one, going way up, see if we can see a difference. I'm assuming I'm missing. I'm not here, I'm just hearing whack, whack, whack. Where's the pings? Oh, kind of was. That's not seeming good, like. You know when you touch it with the do 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 do. I was gonna play Twinkle Twinkle. So far, that sounds exactly the same every time. And it doesn't sound very nice. Yet again, it's another one of those ones where I've been looking forward to doing it. Right idea. Hope it works. We'll get there. The guy from Savage Airguns as well has just got one, I think. You have to check him out, he's a cool guy. This better work. I would say I'm just missing, but I can see that. Come on, I don't want to have another 2-minute fail video. No negativity. This is going to work. If it doesn't work, we're going to annihilate that hippo. Right, go for the pink one at the end. Yeah, that missed. That hit but didn't make any noise. That wasn't a pating. No. If you ever think to yourself, a xylophone would be a good thing to shoot, maybe it's because it's a cheap kids one for £6. Okay, someone please tell me, what can I put down there that can take a beating and it'll go a nice high pitch, nice and gentle hitting. Something small. In fact, it doesn't have to be small, I can cover it with stuff and make it small. You know, like a challenge target. Like at the shooting range they've got a bell 100 yards out. Something like that. Well, this doesn't work already. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to unload this into the hippo's face and we're going to leave it there. Nice. Yeah, that's maybe a little bit too powerful for a kiddie xylophone. Oh well. Since that didn't go very well, I'm going to get the hat sound out and I'm going to make another video. Slug grouping test. Thank you.